Good evening, everyone. My name is Tanisha Gupta. Today, I'm speaking about the Mother's Day. So, mother is a very beautiful part of our life. She sacrificed a lot for us. She gave love, support, care, attention, and everything a mother gives to us. A mother is not only a part of our family, she is our friend, best friend, and forever friend, and a loyal and that friend who is very trustworthy, kind of well wisher for us. So, guys, I have one question for you. What is the meaning of mother in your life? Anyone?
The meaning of mother is to love, support, or bond between a child and a mother is very unique. Like everyone stronger than every bond is this bond between mother and child. Love. She helps us in difficult times. She loves us a lot. If it's a secret talk, everyone just tell each other. But if we tell our mom doesn't tell anyone. She's our well wisher. She always supports us in difficult times.
Thank you. Anyone else? Oh, okay.
So I think mother name is mother word is like a lion because if I like any food anything and I said mom do you take it, she said no I don't like it but she like it or she said she is the lion maybe and she the full of the world and she have every knowledge maybe she the first teacher of us. The mother's means that she teaches
With
all the values like manner, behavior, respect, and she worked and she solved all the problems. There's a difficult place in which we are crying and we have so many pressure. So she motivates us.
thank you.
She helped everything.
Okay, thank you. So, according to my life, my mother is a well wisher for me, and the best and important part what make her special. It's a kindness, humbleness, and every time doesn't matter who did very wrong with her, but she always said, "Ki, okay, leave on her karma, leave that things, ignore them, God will watch them," like these type of things. She always teach me, and that kindness, she killed my ego, she killed my attitude, she teach me how to be humble with others, and like she did lot of sacrifice for me, and I am very grateful person for having that type of mother in my life. Like she is my very important part in my life, and I also made lot of memorable moment with her. Like we went lot of place, we went to Jammu Kashmir together, we went Lucknow together, we went Rajasthan together, we went lot of mandirs together, and our bond is just like a sisters, just like a friend. And in my life, I told my every single problems with her, and literally she deal with them, and she always said, "Ki Tanisha, okay, I'm with you. Please don't take that much stress." Or like at that situation where no one is standing for me, even a part of my mother, like other members of my family, still they were also not there, but my mother was there. And like I never become like my mother. Like she's very beautiful person, she's very humble person, sweet person. She did lot of things for me, everything actually. Like my life only depend on my mother. Like if she's living, she's alive, so for only for me, she's alive only for me. I'm the totally reason for that. That type of love she give to me. And the meaning of love, i I know the meaning of love by my mother. She taught me what is the love, what is the care, and the actual care. Like other people are just doing a kind of drama, like nautanki, I can say. Like they also doing कि आपने खाना खाया कि नहीं खाया, are you fine or not, fever है कि नहीं. But my mother, like doesn't matter how much fight we were doing at that time या उससे थोड़े time पहले, but doesn't matter what situation we were facing, but still she always care for me, she always support for me. Like let me tell you my lot of problems. Like few months ago I was admitted in hospital, so only my mother was there who faced every single problems what I was facing at that time. My father was supporting me by financial, but my mother was supporting me by caring, by love, by attention. Like very difficult phase I faced at that time, but still there was only my mother, no grandparents, no father or no other siblings or like that, but only my mother was there. So I thought mother played very important role in our life. Mother is very important part in our life, and mother can do anything for her child. Mother name is just like a god. The god's another name, kind of like god's nickname is mother, I guess. It's my opinion about mother. And my mother also very beautiful, and even she also cook lot of tasty foods. She helped me in my education system, she helped me in my dance, singing, and lot of other activities. She helped me a lot, she forced me, she increased me for my future goals. She always teach me ki about other things ki Tanisha, do this, this is important for your future life, this is good. And even like I saw another parents how they treat with their child. My mother never forced me for any kind of hard work. She never forced me for a good percentage. She never forced me for become a very best person. She never forced me for anything. She always said, Tanisha, if you want to do anything, do it with your smile, with your happiness, and just chill. Do everything whatever in your life, but do in limits. This type of thing my mother taught me from my childhood to still. And I guess guys you also know what is the value of our mother. But my personal opinion to you, doesn't matter what type of situation you were facing with your mother, but never do disrespect, never argue with her. Always try to understand ki what type of problem she is also facing. Like you are teenagers, you are younger people, and you don't know what type of situations your mother were facing when you were a small kid, when you were newborn baby, what type of things your mother were facing. But still she was standing for you. She was fighting for you for the whole world. So never do this disrespect. Always support your mother at any situation. Always love, always like lot of जितना प्यार दे सकते हो give to her. She is the kind of god in your life. So thank you, have a wonderful day ahead.